I want to teach you an EMA settings that never fails. You're gonna learn a trading strategy that tells you exactly when to enter and exit. Just make sure you watch this video until the end and let's get started. But before we start, if you like my contents, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Alright, in this trading strategy, we have 4 exponential moving averages and parabolic SAR. But don't worry if you're on the free version of TradingView, because I will teach you how you can have 5 indicators on your chart. First, we add the exponential moving averages. So here we click on indicators and we search ribbon, this one. Moving average ribbon, and by the help of this indicator we can have 4 moving averages on our chart, but we need to change their settings. We're going to give them some special settings that will work perfectly in our trading strategy. So here we go to the settings of the ribbon, and because we need exponential moving averages, so here we set EMA for them. Then for the first EMA we set the length at 8, and for the second EMA we also set the length at 8, and then for the first EMA here for the source of calculations we set it at high, and for the second EMA we set it at low. Then for the third EMA we set the length at 89, and for this EMA also we set the length at 89. Then here for the source of calculations for the third EMA we set it at high, and for this one we set it at low. Alright, here for the first EMA we set the color to white. For the second one also we set the color to white. For the third one we set the color to green, and this one also the color is green. And finally we go to the style tab and we increase the thickness of the lines so they will be better visible on our price chart. Alright, we're done with the settings of the exponential moving averages, and now we need to add last indicator, which is parabolic SAR, this one, which is a built-in indicator on TradingView platform. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and let's see how we can find accurate buy-sell signals based on this setup. But before that, I'm proud to announce that recently I published a book, The Art of Price Action Trading, which is a complete guide to price action analysis. The link is in the description and you can get it later if you want to master price action trading. Alright, now let me teach you how you can trade based on this trading strategy. Here we have 2 green lines that are EMA with length of 89 based on high and low, and you can see that they have created a channel on the chart, and from now we call it green channel. And here we have 2 white lines which are EMA with length of 8 based on high and low, and you can see that they have also created a channel on the chart that is actually very close to the price action, and from now we call this white channel. We're going to use the green channel and white channel for trend identification, midterm trend identification, and we're going to use parabolic SAR for identifying pullbacks and end of the pullbacks. Let me show how you can do it. As I mentioned earlier, we use the green channel and white channel for trend identification, midterm trend identification. For a long position setup, we want the price to completely cross above the green channel, and this shows that probably the price is turning to an uptrend. But in the next step, to be more confident, we wait for the white channel to completely go above the green channel. For example, here, when this candle is closed, you can see that the white channel is completely above the green channel and there is no overlap between them. But we don't enter a trade here. Maybe the price turns down and going below the green channel. We want to decrease our risk as much as possible, so we wait for a pullback and then we enter a trade when with higher probability we can say that the pullback ended and the price is gonna advance more. In this situation, we can identify pullback and end of the pullback by the help of 2 methods, price action analysis or by the help of parabolic SAR. I have added parabolic SAR to this chart, so in case if you don't know price action analysis or you just want to use only indicators, so you can use parabolic SAR and identify pullbacks and end of the pullbacks. First, I explain the setup based on parabolic SAR, and then I will explain the price action method. So in practice, we are here at the moment where the price is already above the green channel and the white channel is also above the green channel. In parabolic SAR, when the price price is advancing, we have these dots below the price, and when the price is declining, we have the dots above the price. So here we wait to have a dot above the price, and this tells us that probably a pullback is forming on the chart. And now we should wait to get the first dot below the price. Why? Because when we get a dot below the price, it shows that we have increased upside momentum, so probably the pullback ended and the price is gonna advance more. In this example, you can see that when this candle is closed, we got the first dot below the price here, so the buy signal here is confirmed, and in practice we could enter a long position at this point with the stop loss below the green channel if it is not very far from our trade entry. Otherwise, we set it below the pullback. This level below the green channel is actually a safer level for a stop loss and profit target at risk to reward ratio of 2. Here we used parabolic SAR for identifying the pullback and end of the pullback, but as I said, we can also use price action analysis. Let me explain it. Here we wait for decline of the price near to green channel or inside the green channel or even below the green channel, as long as the price is close to the green channel and the white channel is not completely below the green channel. When the price goes for a pullback, before that a sewing high is created on the chart, and this can act as a potential resistance level. We mark the high and we wait to see if the price can break this level or not. When we got a candle closed above this level, the buy signal is confirmed and we can enter a long position. You can see that the price action method is also easy, and with a little practice, you can learn and use it in your trading strategy. Please pay attention that for decreasing our risk, we don't enter a trade on the next pullbacks. In a long position setup, we only focus on the first pullback after the price goes above the green channel, and we have also the white channel above the green channel. This was a long position setup, and now let me teach you a short position setup. In a short position setup, we wait for the price to completely go below the green channel, and this shows that probably a reversal to downtrend is happening in the market, but we need more confirmation before entering a trade. In the next step, we wait for the white channel to completely go below the green channel. Here, when this candle is closed, you can see that the white channel is already completely below the green channel and there is no overlap between them. As I explained earlier, when the price is declining, the parabolic dots are above the price, and when the price is advancing, the dots go below the price. So in this situation where we want to find a pullback, we wait for parabolic dot to go below the price. This shows that we have increased upside momentum in the market and probably a pullback is forming on the chart. Now we should wait for a signal that shows end of the pullback. We wait to get the first dot above the price. This shows that we have increased downside momentum, so probably the pullback ended and the price is going to decline more. Here in this example, you can see that when this candle is closed, we got the first dot above the price. So here the sell signal is confirmed, and in practice we could enter a short position at this point with the stop loss above the green channel and profit target at risk to reward ratio of 2. You can also use price action analysis instead of using parabolic SAR. After the white channel is completely below the green channel, we wait for the pullback of the price near to green channel or inside the green channel, which is the case here, or even a little above the green channel, as long as we are not changing to a long position setup. When the price goes for a pullback, before that a sewing low is created on the chart, and this can act as a potential support level, and we wait for the price to break this level. When this low is broken, we can enter a trade. Similarly here, I don't recommend entering a trade on the next pullbacks, and to decrease our risk, it's better to focus only on the first pullback after the price is below the green channel and other conditions that we have in this trading strategy. Please pay attention that knowing the price action method gives you more flexibility and more chance to find the pullbacks in the market. We can have a case where the parabolic SAR doesn't show any signal for the pullback, but price action shows a pullback. For example, here you can see that the price went below the green channel, and after that the white channel is also below the green channel, as you can see, but you can see that the parabolic SAR didn't change position and it didn't give any signal for the pullback. But by the help of price action analysis, we could easily identify this pullback. You can see that the price went inside the green channel, and before that, here this sewing low that we have on the chart, and when this low is broken, in practice we could easily enter a short position at this point, and this was also a profitable trade where the price declined down to this point. Please pay attention that no trading strategy or method will give you 100% win rate. No, this is not possible, and losing positions are always part of the game, so you need to manage your risk properly, otherwise you will lose your trading account sooner or later. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it is one of the best risk management strategies that you can use. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a consistently profitable trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.